Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm QB. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I pluck my frontal. First I'm going to be laying down my lace with a T-pin. You can get this anywhere on Amazon or eBay or whatever. Just a regular T-pin, just to get the lace out of my way. Then I'm going to go ahead and spray some water right on the hairline of the hair, just to make sure that everything is easy to work with. And I'm going to be using a brush to comb it right after to get the hairs into place. Now I'm just going to be going ahead and using a comb to like separate the hair, just to see where I want to start plucking. And I'm just going to go ahead and start plucking wherever I feel comfortable plucking. For now, I usually start at the side, the side of the head, and then I pluck for a little bit, and then I like part through another section and do the same. So as you guys can see, I'm just going ahead and I'm plucking, just running my fingers through the hair just to see, as I'm plucking, just to see what I'm doing. And now, as you can see, I have skipped over to my second section. As you can see, it was like about an inch away from the section that I first initially started plucking. So you want to make sure you do that so that you're not over plucking and you're not creating bald spots. So now, as you can see, I have moved to my third section. Third section. Oh my God, I cannot speak today. And anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and start plucking some more. And as you can see, I'm just running my fingers through the hairline just to see, how everything is looking so far. That's one thing about plucking. You have to watch it as you go. You have to eyeball it. You have to be able to see, okay, is this enough plucking? Is this too much plucking? And as you can see, I'm spraying water back on it because I like to see like what it looks like when it's wet, because that's like I guess you could say the most realistic way you can see, you're plucking and how it's going so far. And so as you can see, I'm at the middle of the head now. I'm just going to go ahead and do the same thing and keep plucking. And you don't want to go too much in the front, but you want to make sure you get a little bit behind, because just in case you want to create baby hairs, which I did end up making baby hairs eventually. So, that's one thing that you want to keep in mind. And I'm just going to keep plucking, keep parting the hair and plucking as I go, eyeballing it and probably spraying some more water along the way. And yeah, just want you guys to watch and see what I do. Alright, so as you can see, I am done with this side of my frontal, and you can clearly, tell the difference between this side and the other side. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and get started with the other side and make it just as realistic. So I'm going to be going ahead and doing my little ear tabs, because I do like the little sideburns. And I'm also going to be going ahead and plucking that, because that is very unrealistic. As you can see, that is a lot of sideburns, and in reality nobody has that much sideburns. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to pluck behind the sideburns, on the sideburns, just get all that hair out. Okay, just no, hell no. So no. But yeah, so I'm just going ahead and I'm plucking some more, making sure that it looks realistic. And sometimes you're not gonna always have your frontal on one side of your head looking the same as the other side, just as in reality you're not gonna have one side of your head looking like the other side of your hairline. So you just have to kind of make it as close as possible, but it doesn't have to be the exact same. We are going for a natural realistic look here. So you just want to make sure you eyeball it and just see how you like everything. And as you can see, I'm done, and I like the way it looks so far. I did go ahead, like I said, and put baby hairs later on, but I didn't put that in this video. I'll probably make another video with that. So I'm just going ahead and I'm spraying the hairline just to see how I like things. And yeah, that's basically how I pluck my frontal. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Oh, I forgot this part. Hold on. Yeah, so I went ahead and I put some mousse on it. I usually like to do this as a finishing touch because, you know, it just keeps all my hairs into place, and it dries down really nicely, and, you know, it's easier to work with when I'm working on my baby hairs. So yeah, I really hope you guys liked this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video.